what is the architecture of like web application. If you any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box or as well. You unmute yourself and ask me that. Any doubt, guys? No. Okay, other. Only one response I got from that in the chat box. Guys, feel free to ask me that any doubt. I will not like giving any giving proper response whatever you need for that. Okay, don't worry to give. You can ask me any of the question, whatever you thinking about that. Anyone know the architecture before? Anyone have any idea about like architecture in the before? Okay, anyone? Okay, great. So I hope you got a decent idea about like how it's like a web application goes and how like response come and why we need like a if you want to a full stack developer, then you have to need server side and MongoDB and like sorry it's database server side and like middleware and web server and client side. All these things are required for a web like full stack development. Why required? You have to understand better, I think, from that architecture. If you want to be in that in the future better future in that like full stack developer, then you have to understand better from that, because in that if you in that experience in the corporate like 2-3 year experience, then in the interviewer maybe not asking you like basic question like what is variable and how can I like access the variable, how can I access the data from that function or array, whatever. You can like interview asking like architecture behind that particular like function, whatever like function we are doing that in the backward what are the function are required and what are the architecture of that and how it's work. Maybe anyone asking you because you are the 2 year experience or 3 year experience, that's why they will ask you something architecture. But basically our freshers are not know that all these things. Okay, so you need more that because we are developing a website, or if you go to the kitchen, then you have to understand like what are the requirement and what are the kitchen things are required for building like make a rice or like make a what are the curry and whatever you are making in that kitchen. Okay, so before that going to the web designing, then you have to understand what are the things we are required and how it's work finally. Okay, so then if you build a website, then you have to got a like better website or like a better idea about that, I hope. So next thing, I hope you understand these things like what is server side and what is like all these things. Before that, I will give you a setup like how we need to set up that our uh, web like our laptop or desktop, whatever you are using inside that. Okay, so I will give you a wait. So one thing is that if you are using like any of that ID, the Sublime Atom, whatever you are using, it's better for you if you know better about that. If you're using like in future, like fast, whatever. So if you are not aware of that one, you can use like Node.js, like what is that? Visual Studio. I will show you the link in the chat box. You have to go that particularly and download. I will show you how you need to download that one also. HTTPS slash it's code. Okay, I will write down in the here, then you have to understand better. HTTPS, it's code, wait, code and it's visualstudio.com. Okay, so you have to go to the website and you need to download that Visual Studio for like development purpose. And we need some extension like live server, like icon, VS icon, and like license, all these things. Okay, so you have to go to that here. Okay, download for Windows, and in that you have to, if you require for Windows 64, then you have to use like stable. Okay, not go to that insider because they said already in that development in that stage. Okay, so you need to use just stable. Okay, So if you're using like Mac, then you have to use that one. Okay, all these things. I will share you that link in the chat box. Go to that and download. Okay, after downloading that, you have to like open these things. Okay, I will show you what are the extension we are required for developing that website. Wait, I will close all these things. Yeah. So in the extension, have you observed that one? In the extension, we are there. I will zoom it so you have to understand better. Okay, yeah. Inside that, in that left side, we have many icon. This is the explorer, and this is the search, and this is the source control. All these things are there, but like you need to require that extension. You have to click the extension. Then you need to download like install something like extension for like web development. I will show you one by one. So first thing is we are require live server. Live server. This one. Okay, launch development. You have to download that one. Live server. I already installed that one live server. You need to like click the install for that. If I like this is uninstall, if I click that one uninstall, so I don't need to download again or install again. Okay, so you have to go to that and you have to install. Okay, live server. I will paste it down. Your what are the name in the chat box also. Live server. Okay. So next thing we are required for web development is that VS Code icon. If you require VS Code icon to identify the particular file, then you have to use. If you not, it's okay for VS Code and its icon. This one. Okay. What are the use of that? If I talk about in the server, if you install that like extension, the website like live server, without going to that particular file and open it without, you can click right click on that and you have to click on like live server. Then you have to go like your code will be running fine. Okay. If you install a VS Code icon, then your file will be in that particular icon. Okay, different icon is there. So in that have you of that one in that icon we have different icons there inside that. If you install that, you will get all these things. Okay, I will write down the VS Code icon also in the chat box, so you have to go through a Sublime also for this purpose. Yeah, not a issue if you're using like Sublime, not a issue. According to that, you have to designing that. Okay, but basically we are using in that our creative education Visual Studio. If you require like if you're designing for Sublime, it's okay. If you're designing a term also, it's also okay. Okay, so I'll write down VS Code icons. Okay, so next thing we are required third one. What is the difference between both? There is like a difference, nothing difference. If you like talk about like extension is different and like it's processing, all these things are different because I will install that, go to that this icon and extension. I will like this icon is that left side. Maybe this icon will be the right side or like any other like what is that file or like edit or like selection whatever. You have to identify that one if you using like Sublime or Atom. Okay, so you know better about that, I hope. So you have to install these things. Okay, if you require. If not required, then it's okay for me also and you also. The next we have to install that IntelliSense for CSS main. What is that? I will show you one by one. IntelliSense for CSS. This one. IntelliSense for CSS class name. What is that? in that it is using for like class in that css, because if you want to write something inside that, have you observed that one, it will be copying automatically. Means in that, like in the if you in the beginner, then you have to maybe it's a difficult to remember all the classes, all the naming of that. So if you download the extension, you don't need to like remember all these things. If you remember a little bit, you can type it if you type it like button, then you have to bu. If you type, it will be show you like button, then you have to click enter, then it will be fine. Okay, so it will be required for like faster development also. Okay, so I will like giving the like name of the particular extension in that chat box as well. It listens. What? Wait, I'm changing the name. Okay, you have to install these things. If you are joining now in laptop, you can install. I'm there to help you out if you are getting any difficulty or error, whatever. Anyone installing now? Let the chat box. Okay. Abhijit, are you installing now? If you're getting any difficulty,
Yes, sir. I am installing a. I am downloading the extension.
okay. Have you downloaded that Visual Studio as well?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, great. So anyone having any doubt like in that Visual Studio, whatever, then you have to talk in the chat box as well. So we have to discuss later what are the requirement we are required for that one by one. Once you done, please write in the chat box done. Though you, I have to understand these things, like you have to done all these things, like what are the requirement, what are the setup we are required for our development. Please write in the chat box if you done these things. If you're like using Atom or like Sublime, write down the chat box is done. So I have to understand you are using like all these things, whatever. Okay, great, Manish. Yeah, I'm great. I have VS Code. Okay, great, Prachi. You have already. Please install that extension required for that. Especially as well Sublime. Okay, great. Okay, guys. So those who are downloaded that like Visual Studio and install that extension whatever you require for development, please download that Node.js. I will give you the link also. For like in the future, because after completing that JavaScript, we are learn like Bootstrap, so we require for Node.js npm all these things. So before that, please set up the your laptop or desktop, whatever. I will send you that link and I will show you that one also. HTTPS and we have Node.js .org ASCII download. Okay, in that is there, but I will share you that link in the description. Sorry, not description, chat box. Yeah, I know that you are downloading that one it's also because you are doing Node.js classes, so it's better. So guys, please go through that link and download that Node.js. Once you done that, please write on chat box done so I have to understand. Anyone facing any difficulty, please write down chat box as well. Okay. Hi Radhe, Shri, are you there now? He's joining that now also. I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm having difficulty in downloading extension. Okay. Can you please share the screen? Yukta,
Yes, sir. From where we have to download that
which
uh,
one? Like extension or like Node.js, whatever.
extension, sir?
Okay, okay. Go to the like. Have you downloaded that Visual Studio?
Yes, sir.
Please open it and share the screen. I will show you one by one. So you everyone so understand these things easily. Okay, great. Um, ma'am, please share the screen. Okay. Yeah. Please show it like Visual Studio what
So this
extension you have to
one I
download.
had downloaded here.
Okay, please open that Visual Studio.
So I have downloaded here.
Yeah,
It's
in that like below
installing.
that is there na? Yeah, it's install. Okay, okay.
And
Wait
you
for the
said na
installation.
that extension for
Yeah, when you like download it completed, then you have to go to that open particularly. Then you have to go. Okay, wait 2 minutes. Yeah, it shall finish. Okay, wait 2 minutes. It's open soon. Okay, so go to that last of the icon is the left side. Left side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 icon is there. I like not. Yeah, that one. Please click that. And source is in that live server. Live server.
live server.
Yeah, first one is there na. Yeah, you have to install that one. Okay. Second one you have to key you have to download that one, install these things. First one is like live server and second one I think icon and third one is intelligence. Go to the chat box. You have to got a idea about that. Not that one. That one. Not that one. Please go through that chat box. You have to understand. I'll paste it down again, so you have to understand. Wait. The name of that online. I'll done. Yes. Oh. Anyone please write in the chat box what are the like extras you are downloading for that. So, Ekta ma'am, have you done that all these things?
Yes, sir.
Great. I will send that in the chat box. Please go to that and copy and paste inside that. So you have to got all these things. What are the actions and they require? So guys, have you done that Node.js as well? I'm not getting any reply from that. Like you are done or not? Okay, processing. Okay, okay, great. So icon I will write down is VS Code icon.
हेलो
Yeah.
सर, अभी हमने जो VS कोड में इसमें जो कोई कोडिंग करनी है, उसके लिए
हाँ।
कोई लैंग्वेज आनी चाहिए क्या पहले से?
नहीं, अभी तो आप डैश पर सीखेंगे, इसके बाद तो कर सकते हैं ना।
तो मतलब किस लैंग्वेज का यूज़ करेंगे हम इसको, मतलब बनाने में किसी लैंग्वेज का तो यूज़ होगा ही।
हाँ होगा, HTML CSS जावास्क्रिप्ट एंड बूटस्ट्रैप। मेरा वॉइस रिपीट हो रहा है?
नहीं सर।
ओके ओके। सो अगर आप जैसे कि इफ यू यूजिंग लाइक इन Visual Studio or Atom or like Sublime, it's not a very, because development purpose we are using Visual Studio. If you are designing a C or like Java, whatever. So basically we are teach you like HTML CSS, so we need designing the particularly. So I will teach you in the basic from that. Okay. So HTML CSS, so how we're designing, I will step by step I will teach you. Okay, don't worry. Siddharth sir, have you know that all this HTML CSS, all these things? Any of the language?
बिगिनिंग लेवल
Sorry, your words not coming.
सर, आई नो वेरी लिटिल।
Okay, okay, not an issue. Guys, have you done? Please write in the chat box. You have to go forward. It's like 7:50. Okay, other only 3-4 people are writing inside that chat box. It's like done, but other one is in the meet or like in that, not in the meet, outside of the meet. Okay, done. Manish, Vishal, all this is done. Okay, okay, okay. So I will show you next what the requirement is done. Right, I will share my screen as well, then I'll show you. So now my screen is visible, guys. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, okay, great. So in that like C drive, any of the drive, you have to create a folder. Okay. Before that, if you want to create a folder in directly, then you can. I will show you that. I will show. I think we are done. We are create a folder. Open a folder. Okay, okay. I need to create a folder. So you have to go to that C drive. Then you have to create a folder. Okay, it's like folder, new folder, and in that you have to write uh, whatever name you are writing inside that as your choice, but I am writing inside that it's WB and best WB4. It's my best 4. Okay, so best 4. Okay, done. So I'll go to that one and I will go there, open folder. Okay, open folder, you have to click that particularly, select that particularly, it's WB4, whatever naming you are giving inside that. Okay, it's opening now. Okay, so what are the like, have you done this is the like screen of that we are using for Visual Studio. Okay, the new file, open file, all this are there, but I cannot teach you that one. Okay, so you have to go to the terminal and go to the new terminal. Take that. Wait, yeah, it's opening now, and inside that you have to write npm in it. Sorry, in it. Okay, npm in it. What is npm? Npm is that node package manager. Why we are using all these things? Because we are require many of the third-party website, third party, like it's like if I talk about Bootstrap, we are downloading these things. But if I go to like website, I'm downloading locally, it's taking more like what is that, memory for that. So I don't need that. By using npm we can download all the file we require for development. Okay, that's why you need to download node.js. Okay, there's a node.js. Npm stand for node package manager in it. Okay, you have to write in it and enter. Let's see what happened. You have to understand better. What happened? npm list utility will make the creating the packaging file. Okay, so after that it will be coming like that. Okay, npm help in it, it will be create a file. Okay, package name is my wb4, and next you have to enter version is 1.0.0. Okay, next is description. You have to write we are using we if you want to write a description, you can. I'm like writing inside that we are using for web development, web designing. If I write web designing, okay, and entry point is index.js. Okay, it's JS file and text command. No need. It's Git repository. We are not linking that Git repository. Then you have to enter. Wait. So you have to enter that one keyword. We are not require author. You have to write your name, other name, whatever you need. If I write CDE, it's better. License. All this is done. Okay. Oh, this is this okay? You have to click enter or whatever done in the keyboard. It's done. Wait, download. Yeah, it's done. Okay, it will be it will be format like create a package JSON file. Okay, so what is package JSON? I will show you that. Okay, so in that we are using whatever we are writing inside that description. We are using web designing index.js. Okay, so if you like installing any of the bootstrap or like any of the third party, it will be so all these things whatever you are downloading inside that and what are the version, all these things it will be so in the package.json. Okay, so I hope you like got a decent idea about how we set up all this for development, and I hope you already done that one like npm init. Okay, if you want to check something in that like version, all these things, then you have to go that new terminal. It will be working as a command. Okay, and you have that one add the cmd command. Okay, then you have to write npm version. What is the version of that? That's 6.14.12. Node, let's see. We are using npm is 6.14.12, and for Node.js we are using 14.16.1. Okay, you can check it down. Okay, so if anyone asking me what the version where you are using inside that, you can write down in the npm and v for version. Okay, once more, what is that you are writing in the Prachi ma'am? Once more, what is that? SIE, SIE, what is it? Hello ma'am, Prachi ma'am, are you there? सर रिकॉर्डिंग की वीडियो ग्रुप में शेयर कर दोगे? Guys, I don't know about recording all these things. You can talk to the HR team. Okay, they will be get you like a better idea about that. I don't about like access all these things. I don't have. So better you have to talk to the HR. They will be give you a brief about idea about like recording all these things. Okay guys, if you any doubt, you can ask me in the chat box as well as the personally. You can text me or like call me in that anytime. If you like free to ask me any of the doubt. If you are like not installing still now, if you are testing in that future or like in that after that class, if you getting any doubt, please write in the chat group as well as personally. You can talk to me. Okay, thank you. I'm getting some error in the npm it. Okay, please check it. You are downloading the Node.js correctly or not, because if you're not downloading that Node.js, maybe you are getting error. So you have to check it once. Okay, if you're getting an error, please write in the chat box in that in that group as well in the personal also. Okay. Okay guys, please give your attendance in that chat box and you can leave. Thank you so much guys for your patience, for your understanding, and for your listen with me. Okay, and have a good day. Have a good night. Please give your attendance in the below of the chat box without like before leaving in that. Give your name inside the chat box, then you can leave. Okay, without you cannot. Yeah, great. So I will give you a task that you have to clear all the setup. Before that, we are going to the development. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye. पार्थ सर आप रुक जाओ.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am, please leave the meet, and Bhal, please meet the meet. Like leave the meet. Prachi ma'am, are you there? Yeah. Okay. So पार्थ सर.
Yes.
ओके, आपको ये चाहिए था ना क्लासरूम का. ओके,
हाँ
काम
सर.
करता हूँ, मैंने आपको एक्सेस दे देता हूँ. क्लासरूम का आपके पास एक्सेस नहीं है ना? टीचर का एक्सेस नहीं है आपके
हाँ
पास? आई
सर.
थिंक वेट चेक कर देता हूँ.
हाँ.
तो आपको कैसे देखना है, आपको पता होगा आई थिंक. एक बार बता देता हूँ.
हाँ सर, होगा.
पता है आपको ये वाला क्लासरूम का?
एक बार
पार्थ, सॉरी.
एक बार शो कर दीजिए मुझे, मतलब कैसे देखना है.
ओके ओके, ठीक है ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे आप अगर अभी स्टूडेंट हो, बट यहाँ पे आपको एक्सेस मिल जाएगा अगर, तो आप देख पाओगे कौन कौन सबमिट किया है ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो यहाँ पे पीपुल आ रहा है. क्या नहीं हो रहा है? Wait. यहाँ पे अमन द्विवेदी और ये वाला है, मैंने आपको ऐड कर दूंगा. आई थिंक मुझे एक्सेस है या नहीं, मैं देखता हूँ. Wait. आपको ईमेल आईडी दो तो मुझे.
हाँ सर, मैं चैट बॉक्स में देता हूँ.
ओके ओके, ठीक है. इनवाइट किया आपको, एक्सेप्ट करो आप.
यस.
एक्सेप्ट किया आपने? ईमेल में रिक्वेस्ट गया होगा आपको, देखो।
ईमेल में रिक्वेस्ट है, सर देखा तो।
हाँ, ईमेल में आया होगा, देखो।
सर आगे।
ओके, एक्सेप्ट करो वाला।
हाँ सर कर दिया रिक्वेस्ट।
ओके, अभी तक नहीं आया। एक्सेप्ट किया आपने? हाँ, आया अभी। वेट करो, मैं बता रहा हूँ। ओके, तो यहाँ पे देखो क्लासरूम है, क्लास वर्क। ओके, क्लास
हाँ सर।
वर्क में जाने के बाद, हेलो
हाँ सर।
पार्थ सर, सुन पा रहे हो?
यस सर दिख रहा है। हेलो। हेलो सर, ये आवाज आ रही है सर?
हेलो पार्थ सर।
हाँ सर।
हेलो पार्थ सर, हाँ अभी सुन पा रहे हो? स्क्रीन देख रहा है
यस सर
मेरा?
नाउ यू आर।
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ,
सर।
यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे मैंने जो असाइन किया है, अगर मैं फेस्टिवल डेवलपमेंट में जाऊँ तो यहाँ पे 4 लोग मुझे असाइन किए, टर्न इन हुआ है, और 23 को असाइन हुआ है अभी। यहाँ पे जाके व्यू असाइनमेंट करना है आपने। व्यू असाइनमेंट करने के बाद जो 4 है यहाँ पे दिखाता है आपको, अंतिम और नगा और पूर्वा ऋषि, ये वाला सबमिट किए, और कोई भी सबमिट नहीं किया है। ओके ओके,
हाँ सर।
तो ऐसे आपको अपडेट कर दीजिए। ओके, मैं आपको एक्सेस दे दिया है ऑलरेडी। तो ऐसे जो भी आपका दिया गया है आपको, जैसे कि वेब डिजाइनिंग का 11 टेम्पलेट, अगर 5 ट्यून, यहाँ पे ट्यून इन 5, तो आपको यहाँ पे जाना है व्यू असाइनमेंट, और यहाँ पे चेक करना है कौन कौन सबमिट किया है, और मिल जाएगा आपको। ओके, यहाँ पे 5 सबमिट किए, और ओके
हाँ सर।
ओके, और कोई डाउट है?
हाँ। नो सर।
और कोई डाउट?
थैंक यू।
ओके ठीक है।
नो।
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय।